the Chinese virus came from China. That wet market bullshit is out in the dustbin. That is flushed out. So let's not eat that. The only two things are, was it leaked or was it intentionally leaked? Now, the point I want to make is, Vineet, first of all, let's get it out of our mind. Point number two, okay, it was a leak. Nothing leaks there. It was intentionally leaked. You see, the spring of 2019, 4 people from Wuhan, 4 scientists get COVID. Wuhan never declares that to anybody. Why are they taken to a PLA military hospital? If they were normal, what happened to that doctor who told the world that there's a new pattern pneumonia? You know what happened? He was made apologist and he died in the Chinese ICU. What happened to the doctor who said Chinese vaccine has 73 fatal events? You know what happened to the doctor. So if you look at the sequence of events, and if you look at one critical piece of evidence which cannot be disputed by everybody, first of all, in this so-called Chinese virus, there are 4 positively stacked pairs of amino acids. There is no ऐसा कोई जीव जंतु पृथ्वी पे नहीं है. There is no organism formed in Earth who has this architecture. This has to be man-made. Who did this? Unless and until somebody did it in a lab, it can never ever occur because it violates or defies the laws of physics. Nothing on this earth can exist defying the laws of physics. So this is a conclusive evidence. It was done in a lab in China. Now look at another evidence. Now in 2018, there is a PLA Director General who takes on Wuhan from the bad woman. This woman, who's a new Director General in 2018, is a known member of CCP and is from PLA. And in 2019, she unleashes the virus. When the virus is unleashed on the world, 4.4 million people dead, more than 200 countries infected, billions of dollars of livelihood lost, billions of people affected, their livelihoods are compromised, and $20 trillion of global GDP is lost. I am telling you, Vineet, we as a country or anybody who even has 1% dead must know where the hell did that virus come from. And if it came to China, we have to take them to task. We have around 300,000 people dead. 3 lakh log mare Vineet ji hamare. Who is responsible for that? Now today, if you go and look for evidence in the Wuhan lab and all, you are going to get absolutely nothing. It's all whitewashed. Now only the evidence which will matter is circumstantial evidence. Look at the sequence of events and get your thoughts. You will get no biological evidence after 18 months. I completely concur with Dr. Bagai. But the sequence of this evidence, which is circumstantial in nature, kindly and directly suggests that it is a virus made by Chinese. Now tell me something, if we have 300,000 dead, why can't we go and do what we have to do? And Vineet, this is all bullshit. First of all, how can your food be my death nail? If you have those unsafe wet markets which will infect the whole world, that is your problem. We need today, China needs world more than the world needs China. What does China produce? They only produce 20% cheap. If you and me and everybody in the world is ready to pay some 10-15% more, we don't need China at all. I have been always saying ban trade and travel with China. And the more important thing than that is talk about it. What makes us think we are not talking about it? Why US president is not concerned about 600,000 Americans dead? That is 2% of the population.
Sumit, that's exactly the point. China has been laying this trap for a very long time. And then we wrap up.
I have 2 or 3 quick points. First of all, truth has million ways of coming out. The truth will come out. It has to come out. Point number 2 is, I want to ask one thing. Now, how does the world know if you don't do anything with China, you are waiting for another disaster, another virus to come? And the last and the important point I want to make is, time has come, people like you, me, and everybody in the world, we start asking questions to our governments. Are we sitting ducks here? Are we waiting to get killed? Are we waiting for another virus to come and devastate our lives, our business, our countries, and our nearest and dearest ones? Has anybody lost a relative who had asked him what is the pain? And has anybody been through a COVID with his entire family down? Ask me what is the pain.
Okay.
And I want to save this pain to the whole world. Time for citizens to question their governments and tell them, we are not sitting ducks. Do and settle what you have to do with China and settle it for good.
All right, Sumit, appreciate the emotion and I appreciate you carrying